Order Printer Auto turns every Shopify order into professional invoices, packing slips, and receipts, so your brand looks polished and your team spends less time on paperwork. For merchants, the impact is operational. See plan usage at a glance, jump into documents or automation, and keep fulfillment moving without switching between spreadsheets and email drafts. Improve the workflow. Generate an on-brand invoice from an order in seconds, preview, print, or send. Fewer copy-paste errors, faster handoff from sale to shipment, and consistent numbering your accounting can trust. Warehouse and support stay aligned with packing slips and receipts from the same order data. Batch print when volume spikes. The app scales with your monthly order plan instead of adding headcount for document busy work. Buyer experience. Customers get clear, branded invoices they can download on the thank you page and again from their account. That builds trust, cuts "please resend my invoice" tickets, and supports tax-ready records. Automate delivery when you are ready. Rules email invoices and packing slips, while cloud backup keeps archives safe. Order Printer Auto improves merchant workflow and the buyer journey in one Shopify app.